guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Justina Alyssa, and if you are new here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a Q&A on the Dyson Airwrap. So my Dyson video part 2 actually got a whole bunch of views, and I am so grateful and thankful for every single one of you who watched it and commented. So today we're actually going to be going over those comments that you guys have left me. I did respond to most of them, but I wanted to be able to give you a demonstration because on some of the comments you can't really explain what direction or more information that you're using through a comment. So I wanted to do a video on it and answer every single question that you guys left me and give you some feedback and how the Dyson has been working out for me. So I literally just did my hair with the Dyson about like an hour, 2 hours ago. And I don't know, you tell me, how does this look? Does it look like I'm getting better? Does it look like it's good? Because I almost gave up on it. Even after a year, I was like, okay, that's it, I'm done. But I didn't. So here we are. I do have a part 4 Dyson video coming out. It's actually something new that I tried, and I'm actually very pleased with the results. So stay tuned for that video. It will be coming out soon. But today, let's get into this Q&A together. So I have all of our attachments here with me. I did want to go over some of them just to clarify a couple of things. And let's get into these questions. So the first question that I have is, how long does it take to style from wet? Okay, I did get a couple of these questions. So to style from wet, like I just got out of the shower, washed my hair, and started drying it. So here's the breakdown on how I do my hair. So after I put all my products in, after I comb my hair out, after I part my hair, the time is starting now from there. So I dry my hair about 20% from mainly the roots, and then a little bit of the rest of the hair I dry it because it is soaking wet. So that takes me about 5 minutes. It's actually very, very quick. It takes me about 5 minutes. I would say 10 minutes max, but I don't think 10 minutes at all. So 5 minutes. You guys see how quickly it is to just dry the roots of my hair. The Dyson works very, very quickly. So that was one part. The second part is, so I use the soft smoothing brush afterwards, right? So I brush each part, it's sectioned. That takes me about 20 to 25 minutes. Just a small, soft smoothing brush part. Then when I do the barrels, that takes me about 10 minutes because I section it in about 5 different sections and I do 20 seconds on each part. So that takes me about 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less because it goes very quickly, especially once you get the hang of it. So if we add 5 to 10 minutes, so let's just do the max time. So let's say 10 minutes it takes me to dry my hair, then 25 minutes to do the smoothing brush. So now we're at 35 minutes, and then 10 minutes for the barrels. We are at about 45 minutes of doing my hair with the Dyson, from wet curly hair to straight barrel last step part. That's actually not that bad. 45 minutes. Okay, so moving on to next question. Does your hair get frizzy hours later after using the Airwrap? Yes. It really does, and it also depends on the weather and the day that you do it. So here's an example. If the humidity is very high outside, I recommend not to do your hair because I don't know what it is with the Dyson, but it like naturally makes your hair frizzy. Unless you have a very good hair oil, like I recommended the JVN oil, the nourishing oil drops, those literally saved my life. Unless you have that, or if you have some kind of oil to put in afterwards to hold the frizz down, then I recommend using that. But if not, your hair will get frizzy. You blow dry your hair with the Dyson and your hair automatically, it looks good for like 5-10 seconds and then it starts poofing up. I don't know why, but that's just what it does. So my new technique that I just started is I just started air drying my hair and using the Dyson, and it has brought the frizz down by a lot. Like this is air dried and then I use the Dyson. And my hair actually looks really good. It feels good. I put my hair oil in it after, but it still looks very healthy, very soft. The frizz is not too crazy, and it's about, the humidity today actually is about like 70%, which is high. But so that's that. So she asked, am I not drying it completely? What am I doing wrong? So I don't think that it's you're not drying it completely. I think that it's really the products that you use or how you wash your hair. Because honestly, if I do a quick hair wash, you can tell the difference from like when you're actually massaging your scalp, getting all your hair oils out. You see a huge difference in that, just the process in prepping your hair to straighten it. So that is a huge impact on how frizzy your hair is going to be. So next question that we have is, how do you touch it up every day, and have you noticed damage over the time you've used it? Okay, this is like my favorite question because my hair has been the healthiest since I started using the Dyson. Since I was probably in like 6th, 7th, 8th grade, I have been flat ironing, damaging, dyeing, doing all these crazy things to my hair. And let me tell you, my hair has been the healthiest. And I actually need a haircut. Like, I'm super behind. And I used to have such bad split ends from flat ironing it and blow drying it with like crazy heat on my hair. But my hair has been doing so well. I mean, I also do hair treatments and I oil my scalp and I do take good care of my hair. But this is a different level because I've always done hair treatments. I've always done hair oils. So for my hair to not have such bad split ends, it is definitely because of the Dyson and the not flat ironing. I do flat iron and curl my hair once in a while, but not as much as I used to. Like, I would be burning and damaging my hair on the daily. But there's no need for that anymore. So my hair does have like a blown out look, but it's healthy. So it's just like, I don't care. If I have a special occasion, then it's like, okay, I need to really damage my hair, but it really doesn't do much damage because your hair is so healthy and it could actually take it. So yeah. Okay, and then the first part of that question was, how do I touch up my hair every day? I have my barrel, 1.6. Okay, high heat, high speed, always. And so I literally just do part by part. I don't know if this is the right way. I hold it for about like 15-20 seconds and then I release it, let it go. I do not, let it go. So that's how I touch it up. That's literally all I do, and it doesn't even take me 5 minutes. Okay, so next question. Does your hair get frizzy during the day though? Because I really want to buy this, but I'm afraid my frizzy hair might betray me. Girl, you are not alone. Like I said before, my hair does get frizzy. It does. Put hair oils, put a water-based oil, or if you can trust yourself, put coconut oil or put some different kind of oil that will hold the frizz down. You have to learn your hair and you have to see like what products your hair likes in it. Because some people, their hair, like from coconut oil, their hair will dry out from it. So if you're one of those people, try a different kind of oil. Do not do coconut oil. And then once you figure out which oil is good for your hair, then you'll know like, all right, I got this. Okay, so next question is, what do you think about Dyson flat irons? So I actually have not tried the Dyson flat iron. It's actually called Air Straight. I'm not sure if it would work on my hair. I mean, I already see how the Airwrap works on my hair, and it's not that I'm 100% satisfied with the Airwrap. It's just I know it won't be as strong as I actually need it to be because it's healthy. Healthy is not what our hair wants. And our hair actually wants for it to look nice in the way that, you know, we're used to or how we want it pin straight. That I don't think the flat iron would make it pin straight, but also I've never tried it, so I wouldn't know. All right, so let's continue. All right, so the next question that we have is, how long does it stay straight? Does it stay smooth or at least little straight until the next wash? So how long does it stay straight? It stays straight until I wash it, actually. And I usually keep my hair straight for 4 to 5 days before I wash it. My hair will be completely smooth. Every time I use the Dyson, it could be frizzy as hell, my hair, but it's still so smooth and soft. I've never had a problem with my hair not being soft after using the Dyson. It's just literally the frizz that kills it. It's the frizz. Okay, next question is, what direction did you use the curling barrel? So for the barrel, I'm actually gonna show you. I did show it in my last video, but it's okay, I'll show you again. So you see the 2 arrows? So this is my right side. Right? I'm going to do my right side. I'm going to turn the arrow to the right side. So you see how I'm facing the outside way? Look at it as if this is me. I'm facing the mirror. Which side am I going on? So I'm gonna turn it to my right side. Now look. It just goes right on. If I wanna do the other side, I will switch it to the other side. Turn it on. Goes right on. It also depends on which way you want your curls. I mean, I don't think you would want your curls inward. I like to just do curls going outward. So that's how I do it. I guess it's really your preference. Okay, and we have one last question, was how long does it take to dry your hair? So again, to dry it, it can take me 15 to 20 minutes to completely dry my hair with the Dyson. That's not with the firm smoothing brush, that's not with the curls. To just dry it completely without any other steps, I would say 15 to 20 minutes. The Dyson does dry your hair so fast. I don't know how, but it does, and that could probably be a reason for the frizz. But if you use any other blow dryer that's like super high heat, you know, you have to work like very slowly on your hair, and it takes time. So with the Dyson, it dries your hair like that. It's not playing. I hope this video is short because you know I can ramble. But I am so glad to be answering your questions and any comments or concerns that you guys have. I love fixing things and working on it, like the shirt thing. I did change the color of my shirt when I do my hair now, so you guys can actually see my hair better. Lighting, if my lighting is not right, like let me know these things so I can work on it and fix it, because it's like, it looks fine to me, but if it doesn't look fine for you, I want to know. So I do thank you guys so much for watching. If you do get the Dyson, enjoy it. It is a lot of fun. It is like a part-time job because it's a lot of work. Just kidding. Not kidding, but yes, enjoy it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other recommendations for me to do, let me know, and thank you for watching.